Hello, Kindred souls. Sarah here in the Connecticut Cocoon. I am the co-creator of Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Lori, and we are going to do an expressive arts activity called vocal play. If you don't know what vocal play is, you can check out one of my other videos, but basically it's giving something around us or within us a sound and creating that unique sound for ourselves. So it can be something as simple as a hum or a tune or, a vowel sound, an animal sound, really anything goes. Keep it light, keep it playful. And I put body movements to it as well to help the energy flow and to come back to our intuition. And we can receive messages from the way we move our notes up, or how fast we use our voice or our sounds or our singing. So stay tuned for what messages might come in after you have created your vocal play. So today we are going to vocal play Snail. And Snail is sending us the message for regrounding. Regrounding with Snail. And the biggest message I got, because I did have some snails coming in, and I did a nature-inspired feeling the other day of snail, because it had this like swirling around my back, like how a snail has the big shell on top of their back, but then this grounding where their tummy, their whole body is stuck to whatever it's stuck to, whether it's a rock or the ground or a tree, and this kind of like sliming, inching forward very slowly, but with all this swirling going around on top of them. So I want to capture Snail and that essence of grounding, staying grounded, staying true to ourselves and moving forward, even if it's slowly, with all the chaos and the swirl and maybe even the heaviness that's on our back. So that's what I want to capture today. We're going to get those creative juices flowing. And so yeah, you can join with me and sing along, copy exactly what I'm doing, or I invite you to create your own unique sound for Snail and regrounding, staying true to you, grounded in you while moving forward through the chaos. I think that's basically our theme here. Or you can just sit back and relax and receive this vocal play. And you'll know you've landed your vocal play when you get a sensation in your body. So connect with your intuition, feel in, breathe, and see what comes and see what lands. Okay, so I'm gonna do some tummy. I'm feeling tummy today, right? With that snail and that slime that gets left behind and the ground. I think I might even try this once I land it on the ground. So tummy time is so important through development, and I think we should just keep doing it as we get older. It doesn't need to be just a baby stage. So let's do our tummy time, and if we can, put your tummy on something. It could be a couch or the grass outside. I'm just gonna start patting my tummy. was an interesting vocal play. I already have some sensations. It was really nice to pat my tummy. I know you can't see. I'll move back a little bit to pat my tummy. I'm feeling just tingling within my core, within that area. So that was nice to just feel it a bit and feel like I'm here. I'm in my core. I'm grounded. I'm stable. And then some of the sounds that I chose seemed to have, I was envisioning that slime left behind and that kind of like playful sound of like we're just gonna go slow forward but leave some slime behind, so that that was a fun one. That was a fun one to try. And just that like lower, like that hum, that kind of felt like the chaos. So like it was more like of a serious sound of almost like a mourning too. It kind of had like a mourning to it. Just this buzz of all this energy around you that can be really ungrounding. And it had this sadness to it. And then the playful, like, but remember yourself. So those are the messages coming in right now, but I'm sure there'll be some more. If you do try this vocal play, please let me know how it went in the comments below. I'd love to hear your insights, self-discoveries, experiences, how you want to take this vocal play into your life. You could sing it in the shower, sing it to a loved one, and you can even record it so you can remember it for later. So I hope you had some fun with this one, with Snail and regrounding and staying true to yourself amidst the chaos. With care and connection from my cocoon to yours. Bye.